This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Susie Weldon. Welcome to your dream home. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath beauty offers an impeccable blend of style, functionality, and comfort. Each bedroom is equipped with spacious walk-in closets, ensuring ample storage for everyone. The split floor plan and open concept design create an inviting flow, perfect for both relaxing and entertaining. Step into the heart of the home, where the tray ceilings, granite countertops, and exquisite interior detailing add a touch of elegance to every corner. The oversized 2-car garage provides plenty of room for vehicles and additional storage, and the home features a large walk-through attic space, offering even more storage options for your convenience. Outside, the charm continues with a covered back patio overlooking a privacy-fenced backyard, a perfect retreat for hosting gatherings or enjoying peaceful evenings. Plus, the brand-new roof installed in 2023 ensures peace of mind for years to come. This home has a fireplace and is a rare find that combines modern luxury with practical living. For more information,